Okay, this is our second series and sequence kind of question, and let's just try. It says the sum to n terms of an arithmetic series is given with this formula. So this will tell you the sum. We don't know how they got it, but if you put in 1, you'll get the sum of terms. And this is some arithmetic series, so it's going up by the same amount. If you put in the sum of 5, you'll get the sum of 5 terms. Well, they say figure out, determine the 10th term. They want just one term. Well, there's this trick that's used again and again and again. If you take the sum of 10 terms, all added up, and you subtract the sum of 9 terms, all added up, you'll get the 10th term. So that's an important trick. If you want to find the 25th term, you take the sum of 25 things and subtract the sum of 24 things. It's a trick that's used often, and they just used it right here. So now we can put 10 in there, the sum of 10 things, minus the sum of 9 things. They just put 9 into the formula. And you can put it in your calculator, or you just simplify it and work it out, and you get minus 20. Let's see what question's coming up next. This one says that a car has been moving at a constant speed to slow down at a constant rate. It travels 25 meters in the first, then 25p in the second, 25p squared. So it's a series. Now, it's getting multiplied by a number. So when does this series converge? When does any series converge? Well, it's written on your formula sheet. It says a series converges. It becomes one number when you go off into infinity, and there's the formula for infinity. When does it do that? When the common ratio is between 1 and minus 1. And that's your answer. R doesn't equal 0, but it gives the condition for convergence. You're looking at it on your formula sheet. Now, to meet safety standards, the car must be able to stop within 100 meters. So you want the sum of all of those. It's an infinite sum, and you want it to add up to 100 meters. Okay, so, and you know what the first term is. It's 25. Well, there's your formula. The infinite sum is 100 meters. The first term is 25. We've got to solve for r here, or in this case p. So we multiply both sides by 1 minus p. Cancels here, you get 25. There's 100 times 1's 100. 100 times minus p is minus 100p. You add 100p. You could do it that way. Take away 25. And then 100 minus 25, 75. Divided by 100 is 0.75. So p is 3/4. You could say 3 over 4 or 0.75. So that's it. There you go.